YouTube, what's up? So here is a Casablanca Zephyr ceiling fan, 52-inch, with stencil blades from 1981. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this fan. You can see with the tassel pull chains. I mean, it's so cool looking. I mean, this is awesome. This fan's awesome. So, yeah. I got it at a Habitat Restore, the same Restore as the pedal fan. So, yeah. Let's give it a demo.
It's a legit spin down.
Here is low speed. And I'm with my friend, Julian Jones, with him in 39. So you can see this fan is even quieter than the Delta 2. This fan is silent as a stone on low. Has a nice, gorgeous low speed.
I've never seen the Delta 2 because this thing just seems loud to me.
Loud?
It does. I guess that's just when it's on high because it's on high. And all fans are loud when they're on high.
Yeah, but that's because of the air movement probably.
Yeah.
It does make a little noise on high though because
it's fast.
Yeah, and the rubber flywheel too. Okay, let's do medium speed.
Medium. Yes. It doesn't quite look like a blur brown yet. I guess when they're recording it does, but it doesn't really catch my eye. I don't know what I'm following.
It is making a little bit of noise, like
It doesn't seem
trying the rubber flywheel. Probably just scraping up against it a little bit. The flywheel is a little bit loose, so.
Okay. Hi. What's up? How you doing? That's high.
So you can see this is a very strong air mover on high.
Yeah. Like, it's just a blur of black. I mean, brown. Oh, sweet. On the recording, it looks kind of like a helicopter. But the blades moving the opposite direction than they actually are.
Yeah, it's like a flash, basically.
It's like, yeah, the flash.
Okay.
Recording that while it might. I'm having too much fun with fans. I really can. Now it's recording.
Oh, this looks cool with that one going forward and this one on reverse. It's like
It does. It's like the clings chain. Like that. Help me out here. Please help me. The things that are in the clocks, clinks. I'm gonna call them clinks because I can. You want me to do these?
Sure, but don't do it yet. We need to do medium. You can pull it 3 times. And we'll just leave it on record while it spins down.
Takes forever. Can we get to the 5-minute?
I know.
Wait, we already passed
a
the
lot
5
of
minute.
people don't like spin downs, but a lot of people like to see it just so they can
See it.
Yeah, it's like this, and now it shows how good the bearings are. Usually, you can tell how good the bearings are by the spin down. Hi.
No, not yet. Wait, I think I can get it now. And the fan is completely, utterly, entirely done.
Comment, rate, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.